In 1971, our 7 founders turned an idea into a business. Today, we celebrate 50 years of innovation in the automotive aftermarket, leading the pack every step of the way. We wanted a way to show recognition for all the people who helped this small Midwestern company become a global leader in automotive maintenance. A logo is a symbol of who you are and what you do. This logo is centered around 50 years, which marks BG's major milestone. The ribbons on the side represent this great celebration. The shield signifies strength through products, through partnership, through character. The oil drop is iconic throughout the BG family, representing quality products. The 7 stars are a tribute to the 7 founders, if only they could see us now. Thank you for your continued support as we drive to a successful future together. Please join us in celebrating BG's first 50 years.